In this video, you will learn how to configure a password expiration policy in WordPress using the Melapress Login Security plugin, which you can download from the WordPress plugin repository. A password expiration policy requires users to update their password periodically, limiting the exposure window of compromised credentials and improving WordPress login security. Start with installation. Log in to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, search for Melapress Login Security, click Install, then Activate. After activation, you will be redirected to the Login Security Policies page. First, enable Login Security Policies. Next, select the Activate Password Expiration Policy checkbox. Now you can configure the policy settings. Choose the time unit from the drop-down menu, hours, days, months. Then enter the desired value. This defines how frequently users must reset their passwords. You can also configure user notifications. Choose how long before the password expires users should be notified, and select whether the reminder is set in hours or days. Additionally, you can enable the option "Once dismissed, show notice to users again upon next login." If enabled, users who close the notification will see it again the next time they log in, ensuring the reminder is not missed. After that, save changes. For the test, let's log out and log back with our test account to see how notification looks like. After login, the user will see a notification that allows them to reset their password immediately or dismiss it and reset it on the next login. That's it. Using the password expiration policy in Melapress Login Security plugin allows you to enforce regular password updates and notify users before their credentials expire. This plugin also includes additional features, including limiting login attempts, changing the default WordPress login link, sending temporary logins without password, and much more. To explore all available features, you can find the link in the video description.